Let's now go to economic and cultural development during the Xu and Tang dynasties. An exploration of the remarkable advancements in economics and culture, particularly in medicine during the Xu and Tang eras, highlighting key works and practices. The Xu and Tang dynasty, spanning from 581 to 907, are marked by significant advancements in various aspects of Chinese society. This era witnessed remarkable economic growth, cultural richness, and the flourishing of Buddhism alongside pivotal developments in medicine, economic growth, and trade innovations. The Xu and Tang dynasties saw the expansion of trade routes, most notably the Silk Road, which facilitated trade between China and various regions, including Central Asia and beyond. Innovations in agriculture led to increased productivity, including the introduction of fast ripening rice and improved irrigation techniques, which supported population growth. Urban centers grew rapidly as trade flourished, leading to the establishment of marketplaces that became cultural hubs, fostering economic and cultural exchanges. Cultural flourishing, art, and literature. The Shu and Tang dynasty witnessed a remarkable surge in poetry, with renowned poets such as Li Pai and Du Fo emerging during the Tang period, creating verses that express deep emotions and philosophical reflections. This era marked significant advancements in visual arts, including intricate painting styles such as landscape and figure painting, exemplified by artists like Zhang Xuan and Wu Jiaoxi, whose works remain influential. Calligraphy became highly valued during the Shu and Tang dynasties, with styles like regular script and cursive script becoming popular, praised for their aesthetic and expressive qualities. Buddhism flourishing influence during the Shu and Tang dynasty. It marked a transformative era for Buddhism in China as the religion gained unprecedented popularity and state support. This period saw the establishment of numerous temples, the translation of Buddhist texts, and the integration of Buddhist practices into Chinese culture, significantly influencing art, philosophy, and societal values. Advancements in medicine during the Xu and Tang dynasty. The Xu and Tang dynasties marked a significant period in the evolution of Chinese medicine. The establishment of the Imperial Medical College not only encouraged the clinical practice of acupuncture and herbal remedies, but also laid the groundwork for systematic medical education and the integration of traditional healing practices such as tongue diagnosis into medical training. Key text on tongue diagnosis. Chow Yang-feng's work, Discussion of the Origins and Symptoms of Diseases, printed in the early 7th century, elaborated on the significance of tongue appearance in diagnosing various ailments. He emphasized specific tongue characteristics like dryness, color, and coating to differentiate disease patterns. For instance, a dry tongue and thirst indicate kidney yin deficiency, while yellow tongue signifies heat in the lungs. Sun Ximiao's Thousand Ducat Prescriptions, printed in 652, is considered one of the most influential texts in Chinese medicine. He made critical observations regarding the tongue's condition and its implications for overall health. For example, a stiff tongue indicates organ disease, while a cracked tongue can signify heart excess. His focus on tongue examination has shaped medical practices for centuries. Chow Yun Fang's contributions to tongue diagnosis. Tongue appearance indicates disease, kidney yin deficiency signs, symptoms of lung heat, and importance of tongue diagnostics. Sun Tzu Miao's influences and observations. Noted tongue signs extensively. Stiff tongue signals organ issues. Cracked tongue suggests heat, excess, stress, importance of observations, and influence future medical practices. The significance of tongue diagnosis in pregnant women. Chow Yun Fang emphasized the significance of tongue appearance in pregnant women, suggesting that a red face accompanied by a blue tongue indicates a dire outcome for the child, while a blue face and a red tongue suggest that the mother is in peril. Sun Si Miao also made critical observation in his texts regarding tongue diagnosis in pregnancy, linking specific tongue colors and conditions to potential health risks for both the mother and child. Enduring impact of medical innovations in the Shu and Tang dynasties. The medical texts and practices established during the Shu and Tang dynasties laid foundational principles for TCM, particularly in the areas of acupuncture and diagnostic techniques. The comprehensive observations on tongue diagnosis by Chow Yuanfang and Sun Si Miao continue to inform and influence contemporary practices, demonstrating the lasting relevance of their contributions to healthcare. The Shu and Tang dynasties marked the transformative era for Chinese society, characterized by extraordinary advancements in medicine, culture, and the rise of Buddhism. The establishment of the Imperial Medical College and key medical texts by Chao Yuanfang and Sun Ximiao laid the foundation of TCM, while the flourishing of art and literature defined cultural milestones that resonate to this day. Thank you for your attention.